Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It should be at or below 40 degrees Fahrenheit to slow bacterial growth, but you can't know it's cold enough unless you use a thermometer. As many as 43% of home refrigerators have been found to be at temperatures above 40 degrees Fahrenheit, putting them in the food safety danger zone, where harmful bacteria can multiply. 4 September 2015.
Take our lead.
By law, grade A milk must be maintained at a temperature of 45 degrees Fahrenheit or below. Bacteria in milk will grow minimally below 45 degrees Fahrenheit. However, temperatures well below 40 degrees Fahrenheit are necessary to protect the milk's quality. Properly refrigerated, milk can withstand about 2 weeks storage. 8 March 2007.
Take our lead.
Once eggs have been refrigerated, it is important they stay cool, even during a power outage. A cold egg left out at room temperature can sweat, facilitating the growth of bacteria. Eggs are required to be refrigerated at 45 or lower for safety and optimal freshness.
Let's help you make your mark.
All refrigerated food should remain beneath 40 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent bacteria build-up. Once the temperature exceeds this point, your food begins to run the risk of contamination. The most vulnerable food products in your fridge are those with high water content such as dairy, meat, poultry, eggs, and seafood. 16 February 2015.
Take our lead.
If stored above 40 degrees Fahrenheit, milk will begin to develop signs of spoilage, including sour odor, off flavor and curdled consistency. Remember that milk should be taken from the store and quickly placed in your refrigerator at home so that the temperature does not rise above 40 degrees Fahrenheit. 8 March 2007.
Let's help you make your mark.
Checking temperature with a container of water. After a couple of hours, you will want to take a look at the container of water. You will want to look for condensation. If the condensation appears quickly, that means that the water is very cold. If ice appears, the fridge is too cold.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.